So, अभी हम हैं नॉर्थ कैरोलिना में, राले में, और हम यहाँ हैं नॉर्थ कैरोलिना म्यूज़ियम ऑफ नेचुरल साइंसेस में। हमने जस्ट एंटर किया और मैं सोच रही थी टिकट कहाँ से लेना है, और सब तो वॉलंटियर ने बताया इट इज़ एब्सोल्युटली फ्री, ओनली लाइक अगर को कुछ शोज़ देखने हैं, मूवी 4D मूवीज़ देखना है तो उसका टिकट्स है। सो ये हमारा फर्स्ट इस वेल स्केलेटन। अगर बड़ौदा से हमारे कोई सब्सक्राइबर्स हैं तो वो बहुत छोटी सी जो बड़ौदा म्यूजियम में मैंने वेल स्केलेटन देखा है वो
This is Jay here. It was like a surprise visit. Didn't plan for it, but I just showed up here to see the small fish aquarium. Big model here. Street map of Raleigh.
Scoop chair and let me sit on it and scoop get up in there. It's one chair. No, yes, yes, absolutely. And you can't you don't just sit in the scoop.
You can see all types of fishes here. Small ones, big ones.
Oh, look at that.
So colorful. That's their world. So the entire life. Dueling Dinosaurs. Meet the dueling dinosaurs. Looks like they're right on time. Turtles, gators, alligator. Then we got the fish, plants. This looks like some kind of fossil.
Hello. Before you meet the real specimens in our team of paleontologists in the lab, I am excited to tell you about why the dueling dinosaurs are so special and how the museum plans to study them. This is a scaled-down replica of the dueling dinosaurs as they were found in the ground. This fossil features not only one, but two species of dinosaur entwined together, a dinosaur and a triceratops.
Where did she go? There she is.
This is the second floor. Ah.
Right, but not all animals do that, right?
Yeah.
It's just
At the research station.
Oh no, it's after, but it's okay, well. You know, you're fine. They call it. Listen, this right here. You want to be that way.
This is the diversity of life. Plants, mushrooms, fungi, geckos and mussels, butterflies.
And they are an integral part of freshwater ecosystem. They serve as food for animals like muskrats.
Crystals, amethyst, here this is apophyllite, this is calcite, this is malachite, this is goethite. Where is ruby? Ruby is my favorite. That's red fox, quartz, pyrite, emerald, sulfur. Look at this tree.
That's my first one. Where's yours?
Mine is really good.
It's in
It's not wet. Is this? No.
Different collections here. Ornithology collection, ethology collection, herpetology, giant snake, mammalogy. Granite and marble.
What are we supposed to find?
Bald eagle.
Bald eagle, national bird of USA. Alligator.
Piedmont forest. We are seeing underground world.
I was trying to read, Drew.
You try what?
Carolina terrain, 500 million, 540 million years old. This is 452, 245, and 270 million. So I'm going the opposite way. First rifting, 734 to 650 million years. Let's see. All
This
the
is the
rocks.
whole cycle. Like 1.1 billion years ago, like continental plate. You know that earlier it was like billions of years before there was just one plate, one no ocean, nothing. All the 7 continents were one plate, and it was called Pangea. So this is Pangea, and then 1.1 billion ago, the continental plate that shifted, first collision occurred, then first this was first it was collision, and then like around 734 to 650 million ago, first drifting apart, they started drifting apart. Then this is like this they have talked in Carolina, not Carolina, South Carolina. So this Carolina and Africa, there were one plate. Then Carolina started drifting, and here Africa, and then later collisions and the rise of the mountains. And of course, when the two plates collided, that one mountain, you can see all the mountainous range of North America, and here it is Africa. And then second drifting. After that, like here you can see North America, North Africa, because they came nearer and collided, this mountain range happened. And then almost 200 million years ago, the second drifting, they again started drifting apart. This is North Carolina, this is Africa, and the place in between it took by early Atlantic Ocean. And then again, like 70 million years ago, that coastal plain started building. Here you can see all the Carolinas and sea, and then sea level got higher, and that's how we have today.
Emerald.
Look at the emerald. And that one is polished one. See, ruby, my favorite Chinese ruby. They're part of soil, like water, weathered rock, air, of course, and organic material, like leaves and remains of animals. Then aquifers of the coastal plain, it means porous purifiers. This you can see like granite structure, crystalline rock. It has water in. See, if you see, they have water inside. These are garnets, different garnets.
Rubies and sapphires.
Oh, there it is. Yay, at last we could see ruby. See number 2. Wow, how beautiful it is.
Emeralds. Garnets. Gemstones.
Wow, how beautiful.
They don't have diamonds.
It's beautiful museum, and everything is free. Like, just imagine kids having day off and coming over here, spend whole day over here.
Thinking about North Carolina here. Oldest trees, most peaks, most terrain, most salamanders, most fungi, tallest waterfall, highest mountain, and oldest river. Nice to know. Let's see.
Like waterfall.
Like a mountain. The mountains, spruce, fir, forest.
Here is a trivia. Do you know अमेरिका का ओल्डेस्ट रिवर का नाम क्या है?
New River.
Yep. Name of the oldest river of America.
How do you know it's
is
oldest
New
river? How do you know?
Not me, scientist.
I know. What's the
Yeah.
scientific basis?
Like this changing river bed and everything will give us like a age.
All the nocturnal animals, nighttime. It's all for the kids. It's an owl.